मैं एक जंग अखबार लुकिंग एट जंग सुर्खी एंड इट सेज कि पाकिस्तान बड़े नाजुक दौर से गुजर रहा है। फनी पार्ट, आज भी हम वही सुर्खी देखते हैं। मैंने नेटसोल इनिशिएट की विद कुछ नहीं था मेरे पास। आज मैं आपके सामने बैठा हूँ। 28 years time lapsed while we are sitting and talking. The Samumkin is a belief that if you want, you can achieve whatever your goals are. Sometimes we are not even aware of our own capabilities, but if we put ourselves to it, we are able to do things which are not normal, which sometimes people believe that will not happen. सब मुमकिन है। जो लोग सब मुमकिन का लफ्ज यूज करते हैं फिर वो गिव अप नहीं करते। You know why we are not enjoying moment? Because we believe कि कल का बेहतर हो जाएगा। So अच्छा मैं ये करूँ ना, इसकी वजह से मेरी कल बेहतर होगी, तो हम वेट कर रहे थे कि tomorrow will be a better day. That is the biggest folly in our lives. हमारे beliefs में कोई कल का नहीं है, आज है, अभी है, आप अभी। एक वर्ड है फेलियर, मेरी डिक्शनरी में ही नहीं है। मैं कभी फेल नहीं हुआ। हाँ, मैं नाकाम हुआ, अनसक्सेसफुल हुआ, फेल ही हुआ। आप पता है फेल कब होते हैं? जब आप गिव अप करते हैं। आई नेवर गिव अप। मैं बहुत दफा नाकाम हूँ। मेनी टाइम्स आई लॉस्ट। दिस इज अ मैसेज टू द यंग वन। नेवर गिव अप, एक्सेप्ट व्हेन थिंग्स डोंट वर्क, चेंज देम, बट गिव अप ना करें। I am starting a business in Pakistan, IT, 28 years ago when IT was not that well established in Pakistan. So how do you build a company when your own country doesn't need or require your services? So that was the problem. I was in Australia, came back after 22 years. और मैं एक जंग अखबार लुकिंग एट जंग सुर्खी एंड इट सेज कि पाकिस्तान बड़े नाजुक दौर से गुजर रहा है। फनी पार्ट, आज भी हम वही सुर्खी देखते हैं। So this country had the challenging environment, but that didn't stop us. We didn't care about that. Focused on what we believed in, and we started building business outside Pakistan, customers outside Pakistan. Alhamdulillah, that worked. So challenges were a lot, but then you have to accept that there are issues where you are from, but you can overcome those issues and challenges and still are able to succeed. Before this life, I had a very good life in Australia. The family is happy, country is beautiful, stable, no issues, no challenges. You work one day, whole day, and then come home and spend time with your family. It's very simple life. And I just decide that I'm not satisfied with that simple life. I need some challenge in my life. So with that thought, I picked up my family and came to Lahore again with nothing in my pocket because I don't save. Whatever I was earning, I was spending day to day. The decision was huge, big. That has implication on my family and myself. Coming to Lahore, then starting the business from zero and then building it slowly, gradually, was some of decisions were tough. Question in my mind was, do Pakistan have that kind of IT skills? I was surprised. They were very smart kids. IT schools were very young. At that time, schools were over 10 years old. IT schools, IT graduates were coming out from new schools. But all that put aside, Pakistani youth, I found out, was extraordinarily intelligent. They had this hunger and they had this ability to work. Today, I am happy to be in Pakistan because it's matured. We have some very smart people, smart companies promoting Pakistan IT in the world. They're giving good name to Pakistan. So yes, we are in some good times now. IT industry will grow rapidly, grow multiple times. It will be exponential growth in it, and gradually the world will recognize that Pakistan is an IT country. It's already there, but more and more will see Pakistan name to be taken in IT world. So I am very excited about Pakistan IT industry in the world. My first book was about my life, and it was from nothing to everything. So that book was well accepted, and then over the last 8 years I've been asked again and again to write about how we have built NetSoul, the business side of it. So I started putting my thoughts together, start writing it, and over the period when we're completing it, we're just trying to figure out what do we call it. What is a book like this is called? How do you define a book which is about your struggles and what you are able to achieve? Idea is simple, that we are very capable. Sometimes we are not even aware of our own capabilities, own self. But if we put ourselves to it, we are able to do things which are not normal, which sometimes people believe that will not happen. अगर आप ये सोच के you start a business or enterprise that I'll start today and in short period my business will work out, you will be disappointed. Be prepared for a long haul. The book tells you very simply, the longer it takes, the better it is for you. In a shorter period, if you're successful, it will not work out in the long run. So lesson is very simple. Be prepared for the longer haul. Be prepared for challenges. Just don't give up. Keep going back. If something doesn't work out, make a change. Try again. It will not work out. Then you try again. So it's all about keep trying until you have achieved your goal. If you have 2-3 good customers, so आप उन्हीं को पहले सर्विस कीजिए and then add करें. Even more customer wants to come to you, you restrain your urge to get more customer because until unless you provide a better service to your current customers जो अभी है, और अगर उनको आप सर्विस नहीं दे रहे तो gradually they will start leaving you. मैंने आपको एग्जांपल दी कि जो मेरा पहला कस्टमर था 28 years ago, वो आज भी मेरा कस्टमर है. कैसे पॉसिबल है? सिंपली 28 साल हम उन्हें वही सर्विस दे रहे हैं जो डे 1 मैंने उनसे वादा किया था. ये कैसे मुमकिन है? वी मेड श्योर कि हमारे नंबर ऑफ कस्टमर्स थोड़ा रहे और एवरी कस्टमर डजंट मैटर कि वो कितना पे कर कम या ज़्यादा, उसको उसी क्वालिटी की सर्विस दें कि वो आपके पास वापस आए. नया कस्टमर बनाना मुश्किल होता है, पुराना कस्टमर रिटेन करना आसान है अगर आप उसको सर्विस दें. डोंट रश टू मेक मनी आउट ऑफ वन कस्टमर. डोंट ट्राई टू बी ग्रीडी. ट्राई टू स्ट्रेन योरसेल्फ एंड मेक श्योर अ कस्टमर को उतना ही जनरेट करे रेवेन्यू जितनी उनकी कैपेसिटी है. उनको यूज देम as making more money. That's what we did. Alhamdulillah, customers stay with us. They don't leave us. मैं जब जाता हूँ स्टूडेंट्स के साथ सेशन करता हूँ तो मैं I ask student, what exactly जो तुम इतनी मेहनत करो इसमें अल्टीमेट तुम्हें मिलेगा क्या? कोई कुछ कहता है, कोई क्या, कोई मैंने ये बनना है, मैंने वो बनना है. एक बच्चे ने हाथ उठाया, हैप्पीनेस. That's what you. So ultimate goal is don't tell yourself you are unlimited because उसकी कोई लिमिट नहीं होगी तो आप कभी सेटिस्फाई नहीं होंगे. तो अगर सेटिस्फाई नहीं है तो आप खुश नहीं होंगे. You have to limit your expectation. You have to limit your goals. Otherwise, life will just pass like that, and there'll be a day you will realize what have I done, what have I achieved. Yes, business तो build हो गया, wealth भी आ गई, but क्या मैं इसे enjoy कर सकता हूँ? You know why we are not enjoying moment? Because we believe कि कल का बेहतर हो जाएगा. And this is where we lose out कि tomorrow will be a better day. That is the biggest folly in our lives. हमारे beliefs में कोई कल का नहीं है, आज है, अभी है. आप अभी जो है मोमेंट है, बच्चे हैं, फैमिली है, भाई है, बहन है, मदर, वाइफ है, पार्टनर है, दे आर वन टुडे. मैं उनको लेके चलूंगा और अगर वो खुश हैं तो मैं खुश हूँ. और वो कैसे खुश होंगे? When I'm able to give them time. Do not tell yourself you're the smartest. Do tell yourself that I am learning. Do find a mentor. If you're lucky, somebody will take you over and guide you, but do listen to them. Do listen to their advice. That will help you to change. क्योंकि किताबों से mentorship नहीं होगी. Mentorship लोगों से होगी. Whatever work we have done to date is not enough. We must do more work for Pakistan. Pakistan needs Pakistan industry to grow bigger and we take Pakistan name out in the world. और मुल्कों में जाए, और कंट्री में जाए, we have more centers, more offices, so we have a bigger market share and then we employ more people. Job creation is one of the responsibility we must do that. 2 चीज़ें कर लेंगे आप कामयाब हो जाएंगे. एक वर्ड मैं कहूँगा, मेरे ज़िंदगी से एक वर्ड है फेलियर. मेरी डिक्शनरी में ही नहीं है. मैं कभी फेल नहीं हुआ. हाँ, मैं नाकाम हुआ, अनसक्सेसफुल हुआ, फेल ही हुआ. आप पता है फेल कब होते हैं? जब आप गिव अप करते हैं. आई नेवर गिव अप. मैं बहुत दफ़ा नाकाम हूँ. मेनी टाइम्स आई लॉस्ट. दिस इज अ मैसेज टू द यंग वन. नेवर गिव अप. एक्सेप्ट व्हेन थिंग्स डोंट वर्क, चेंज देम, बट गिव अप ना करें.